Music is an often forgotten part of education as we head back to school. Singer Susan Gabriel uses her musical skills to teach everyone from kids to adults better communication through music. She is with us today in Sounds of the Suncoast. Welcome, Susan, and take it away.
Thank you. No small wonder anybody loves it all. No small wonder you can rise up after you fall. I'm flying through trying and crying since they put me out. I'm making heartbreaking. Hey, I want to see what you want and what you thought you had, what you can't live without. To see what you want, what you thought you had, what you can't live without. No small wonder anybody sees me at all. And it's no small wonder, baby, you can live out of this world standing so tall. I ain't faking, no, just waking and making a way to put you out. No, I'm hoping, heart open. Yeah, I want to see what I want, what I thought I had, what I can't live without. To see what I want and what I thought I had, what I can't live without you. Hey, and you're no small wonder.
Beautiful.
Oh, Susan,
Thank you.
Thank you. It's so good to be here.
Now, not only are you a talented singer, but really education has a lot to do with what you do. Tell us about the Arise Music Arts program. What is this?
Arise Music Arts Communication is a global initiative I started half my life ago in London that's now going to be featured here in Sarasota. We're expanding this year. And it's about the shaping forces of music. It teaches all instruments and vocal scenarios and acting and improv. And it also invites children to find out that they are made of music by accessing the shaping forces of music that are identical to the essential elements that invite and inspire character in a person.
And that's so important now because unfortunately with our schools, arts are harder for the kids to get in and the educators to have time for. So I love that you're providing a way for kids to have that experience and get that exposure.
But it's kids and adults, right?
It's kids and adults. We've got
Is it a school?
We've got, we travel around, and I have a space that I work out of privately and with smaller groups, but larger groups, it's on-location adaptive curriculums. We can do after-school, in-school, college, masterclass concerts. I work with adults, professionals, amateurs, and it fits whatever organism or organization that it's serving.
That is wonderful. And your musical arts initiative is beginning next on August 22nd.
That's correct.
I understand. For more information, you can visit arisemusicarts.com. All right, coming up next, we're going to see what clothes are cool for back to school this year with a fashion show. But first, Susan, play a little more. I understand you're a jack of many musical trades.
Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll give you a little flute. This is a little tidbit here.